I know, baby.
You're a jerk.
Am I?
You're
Yo,
a jerk.
I was told to do this shit, yo.
You're a jerk.
I ain't the best, but it's alright, you know. That's how we do, right?
You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
Am I?
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 You're a jerk.
Yes, I am.
You're a jerk. 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 Jerk.
Yeah.
Jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
I like to hear when you call me a jerk, baby.
Jerk.
Tell me again. What am I?
Jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
I'm a jerk, and I know how it works. You touch me, you gonna be in the dirt, eating the dust, eating my pants. You gonna be 6 feet underneath the ants. Everybody know, can't touch me. If you do, my jerk release, and I know that you gonna die, whether or not you black or white. What? I'm a what? What? I'm a what? I'm a what? I'm a jerk. Yeah, that's right. I might be a jerk, but at least I know that I could take all you niggas and hit the brakes. You touch me, I touch you. Death be coming to only you. You know it's true. You touch me, dude. I'm gonna have to come back, murder you. Fuck you. Fuck this song. Hate this track, but that's all. Get along. Everybody know you can't see. I'm the jerk and you won the P. Everybody wanna come after me for the raps that I put out, and even they see when they know what it's like to be like me, they gonna wish they never came after me. Breathe. I'm a jerk, right? That's okay, cause I know it's like everybody trying to tell me off, so I act a jerk to show them off. Everybody wanna talk like me, slang up words off the beat, but you can't lace a track unless you me, because lacing the track is track deaf to beat. So fuck it, what'd you say? Come back again another day. Rain, fuck that shit. I got what it takes to make everybody's clip. I'm the bullets to your gun. That's why they call me Bullet Felt, baby. Cause I feel the strength. I feel the strength of life itself. Ain't you can't hurt me, dawg. You can't touch me, y'all. If you try to, you gon' see that you can't come after me. I don't know what it's like. I don't know why you all are dying, but that's okay if you try to touch me. Cause if you touch me, y'all gonna see that you will never breathe again. You gonna be dead on the streets, shit deceived. Everybody know why I'm me. I'm tough, I'm straight up G. Ha. Yeah. Ha. Yeah. I'm a jerk, I'm a jerk. I'm a jerk. I'm a jerk. Fuck y'all. My boys told me to do this shit, so I did it. Like I said, it ain't the best, but alright, I got this.